Greetings and welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Cypher's channel.
Yay!
Alright guys, so today is the Hammond Collection GIGANOTOSAURUS. We're gonna unbox it and we are going to compare to the Dominion GIGANOTOSAURUS and the Hammond Collection Tyrannosaurus. Also, from behind us we have the Super Colossal Giganotosaurus right there. We have the Indoraptor and the Carnotaurus as well. We only have 3 Super Colossals. So anyways, alright, let's check it out. Alright guys, so here is the Dominion Giganotosaurus. If you push the button here, it starts out. Here we go. I forget what's it called. It chumps. See? You can see its mouth moving. Then on the bottom here, it has another trigger. It opens up. It's a sound. There you go. And for our Hammond Collection Tyrannosaurus, it has a marble eye. Look at that, it moves. Pretty sure some of you guys know that already. It has a soft gum right there. It's made of rubber. It's nice and soft. Same as the tongue, it's soft. But over here, the bottom gum, it's made of plastic. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna check the Hammond Collection Giganotosaurus now. Here it is. It's gorgeous. We're finally gonna unbox it. Finally, guys. Alright, let's check the back first. Okay. Alright, so this one's coming out end of July. I'm not sure about the Pyroraptor. There's no news about this yet. Tyrannosaurus, we already have it. Okay, looks like we got a damaged box. Looks nice. Alright, let's. Oh wow. Okay. I think we're open this way. Yeah. Alright, guys. Sephiroth and Cypher right here next to me. They're excited. Alright. Oh, what? There's one more. Don't tell me there's another in the bottom. Oh yeah, there is another. Goodness. Alright guys, while I'm unboxing this package, I'd like to say thank you for the non-stop support. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Oh goodness. This is exciting. Here we are. Let's put this aside. There it is. That's what it looks like. Wow. It has 3 pieces. Okay. Let's take him out. Alright. Oh wow. What else? Its legs. Is it out? Oh, the head too. Goodness. Alright, he's out. Oh wait. What? One more? There you go. Oh. Hopefully there's nothing wrong with it, because I heard a lot of bad news about this Hammond Collection Giganotosaurus. Like there's something wrong with it. Hang on. We'll bring out the tail. Okay, tail feels rubbery. Alright. So there we go. We're gonna combine this over here. There you go. Look at it looks like a crocodile's tail. Okay. Now we're gonna combine it to the Giga. Okay. Let's combine it. Must hear the snapping sound. There you go. It went in. Okay. It is gorgeous. Let's compare it first to its variant from Dominion.
Minion? Which minion does?
Here you go. Dominion.
Minion?
Okay. It is bigger, guys. It is bigger. Way better. It has those colors on its lower jaw. Meanwhile, the Dominion variant doesn't have nothing here. Same as the Colossal. He doesn't have color right there. Okay, has larger arms. Obviously. Has nice articulation here. We're gonna check the mouth. Of course, it's also made of rubber. Very nice from Mattel.
Fall down.
Like the T-Rex. Has a marble of an eye. Look at that, huh? Now to the other side. Very nice. Look at that. Look at that. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Okay, that's a casing right there. Very. Touch it here. Nice. Your Dominion is like this one. One's made of rubber right here. Okay. So the Hammond Collection is way bigger. Way bigger than its variant counterpart. Now we're gonna compare to the T-Rex. Okay, guys. Who is larger? The Hammond Collection Giga or the Hammond Collection T-Rex? I think it's the Giga who's bigger. Yeah, it is bigger. This is nice. So, I don't know what the issue is about this new Hammond Collection GIGANOTOSAURUS. But for me, I think I got the good one. Nothing wrong with it. There's no issue in mine. Because some say there's even like a smear of yellow paint on the eye. That's what they're saying. Some are like, they can't even move the arm. Wait. Okay, it moves. That scared me. Mine's perfect. See that? Nothing wrong with it. Very nice. There you go. Moves. All right. So yeah. There you have it, guys.
Bye.
All the toes are painted. They didn't forget to paint that. So that's a big plus right there. Claws are painted. Nice. The Dominion wasn't painted at all. But yeah, it has a longer tail than the T-Rex as well. Look at that. See? Way longer. Look at the length of that compared to the T-Rex. Giganosaurus way longer. Yeah. Alright, guys. That's pretty much it for today. And the next video should be the Chasmosaurus from Chaos Theory. That's our next video. Wait a second. So there's okay, it articulates there. So yeah, it is a nice figure. So hopefully Mattel makes Spinosaurus next for the Hammond Collection. So yeah, this is really nice. Alright, guys. Once again, I'd like to say thank you. And don't forget to click that like and subscribe button.
Bye.
Thank you so much, guys. You guys have a great day. Oh,
Daddy?
the teeth are nice as well. See, we have rubber.
Daddy.
Alright, guys. Thank you. Bye.
Daddy. I'll have